Good evening, students. Good evening, dear students. Today we are going to see what is Thevenin's theorem and how it can be used to reduce the complex network into a simple network. Thevenin's theorem states that any two terminal linear networks having a voltage current sources and resistances can be replaced by a simple equivalent circuit which is called as Thevenin's equivalent circuit, which consisting of a single voltage source in series with a resistance where the value of voltage source is equal to the open circuit voltage and the resistance is Thevenin's resistance. Now we are going to solve a problem on this theorem. It is given that determine the equivalent EMF of the network when viewed from terminals A and B and the equivalent resistance of the network when looked from terminals A and B and the current through load resistance RL. It is the circuit given here. Here the circuit consists of one voltage source which is 24 volt and having an internal resistance of 1 ohm and the load resistance value is 15 ohm. Now we are going to solve this problem using Thevenin's theorem. So for this, in the step 1, we are going to find the Thevenin's voltage VTH. So while calculating Thevenin's voltage, we have to remove the load resistance from the circuit. Here the load resistance is connected between terminals A and B, so it is removed from the circuit, that is it is open circuited. Then the circuit becomes like this. Now the current flowing through the circuit is I, which can be calculated as V by R. So here all the three resistances are in series, that is 12 ohm, 1 ohm and 3 ohm, because the current flowing through all the resistors are same. So we can calculate the value of I as 24 by 12 plus 3 plus 1 which is according to Ohm's law, and the value is 1.5 ampere. So VTH can be calculated as the voltage across terminal AB. The voltage across terminal AB is actually equal to the voltage across 12 ohm resistor. So the voltage across 12 ohm resistor can be calculated as 12 into 1.5. Here 12 is the value of resistance and 1.5 is the current flowing through 12 ohm resistance. So now the voltage is 18 volt, which is the Thevenin's voltage VTH. In step 2, we have to find out RTH. If you want to find RTH in the given circuit, you have to remove the load resistance and you have to remove all the energy sources connected in the circuit. Here the only energy source connected in the circuit is 24 volt. So that should be short circuited along with its internal resistance, because all voltage sources in the circuit should be short circuited and all current sources should be open circuited. So here the voltage source is short circuited along with its internal resistance. Now the circuit becomes a simple circuit like this. Here you see the resistors 1 ohm and 3 ohm are connected in series, and that series combination is in parallel with this 12 ohm resistance. So the RTH value is calculated as 3 plus 1, which is in parallel with 12. So the value can be calculated as 4 into 12 by 4 plus 12, which is 3 ohm. Now the RTH value is 3 ohm. In step 3, we have to draw the Thevenin's equivalent circuit. It is a simple equivalent circuit which consists of VTH in series with RTH, and that should be connected with the load resistance RL. Now we have to find out the load current flowing through a resistance RL. So this will be load current IL. You see now RTH and RL are connected in series. So the equivalent resistance is 15 plus 3 and V is 18 volt. So IL is equal to 18 by 18, which is 1 ampere. So now uh, this will be the current, load current, which is flowing through the circuit. Thank you.